Welcome to WARHAWK tournaments. We have round 1 for days 1 versus 1. Let's see how this guy is gonna play. Let's check the armament is coming around. You cafeteria goes. He has good high course carnival, monarch, cafeteria black ghost, rapid fire, packet, kiss and block. He has all the laser missile are banned, so they are playing good. Oh, he's making damage on the heli. Anderson is he has more damage than the destroyer. 100,000 versus 4,000. So let's see how destroyer is gonna take over. Looks like he is going to rush. Anderson is looking for a place to go high and wait for him, because he has more damage, so make no sense go rush after him. And he go on the heli already. Try to mark more damage or see where he's coming. Oh. Because the heli is on the Roshin frigate where he has 4. Let's go to this side again. He has another heli. We go in the heli now. See what he's gonna do. Now it's a battle versus heli. Heli versus heli. Oh, the destroyers killed one of the helis of Anderson. Let's see what they're gonna do now. Anderson trying to destroy the heli from the destroyer, but Anderson is still winning on the damage. Let's see what they're gonna do now. Oh, Anderson go another heli. He's going again. Looks like okay, Anderson loses the heli, but he's winning on the damage. 225,000 versus 130,000, but it looks like let's see. The other one is good. Let me take a screenshot. Okay. This is good. I think the team is only bad to go over 400 for 15%. So both are in 329 and 332. So now it's gonna be 5,000 damage. It was close. Yeah, the destroyers won this round. Well, this battle is BO3, so let's take a screenshot. Alright guys, we're back with the second battle of this first round. We have different ships this time. Let's see if they're gonna use different tactics. Check the armament first. So we have CNCSTP with Anderson, Storm about 10-2, U-89, Kabbalah Ghost, para the pin. His pin is getting up to... Oof. I think he's out of the match already. Yep, he's out. Well, let's see the judge what he says. Alright, alright. If the team go about 400 or 15 seconds of you collect like multiple 400 pins during the match, like 5 seconds here, 2 seconds there, you will get disqualified, but the last word is the judge. So let's see. The judge said we continue, we continue. So Anderson, it's on 42,000 and Anderson it's on 100,000 damage. So we will see. Like those rapid fire. Kill some blood. Okay, he's good in armament. Follow Anderson. Anderson don't wanna go versus one. It's understood because the frigate is basically a torpedo spammer. But the frigate is annoying. Also the CNK-4B is a really good frigate. It's like a really mobility. We continue monitoring the team, but it looks like the destroyer lost track of Anderson already. Anderson is or win by damage. Yeah, Let's see what the destroyers do. Do he still have a helix? No, he don't have no helix. Sure. I think it's lost. Some players that do this, and when you do this to them, they don't like it. Well, Anderson left the battle, so let's see if he continues. Screenshot, so we can upload. And the Anderson disconnected. Yeah, Anderson has some things. So he disconnected. I think the player is gonna win this. He found him. The judge also disconnected, but we are keep going and keep going.